Well, guys, they're filming a show for HBO, and my car might be in it. Here's the camera crew. What's going on, guys? It's Corey from TG Nation. 1987 IROC-Z L1 that you just seen the pictures and everything for, and it's looking real immaculate. I also have a Mustang. It's going to be a Terminator Cobra. However, I'm putting plans into that. Things are going to change. I'm doing the final editing on the video that is coming out Saturday, 7 o'clock p.m. Just doing the final editing on it, and you guys are going to love it. You thought the look of the car changed. There's another look that I'm going to be changing the car. It's going to change. It's going to be like, what? You'll just have to wait until the next episode. I did some photoshopping. To be honest, I want to talk about something. I want bigger wheels. Don't get me wrong, I love this setup. I'm going to keep this setup though, and that's the thing. I'm not going to give this setup away. I'm actually going to keep this setup more than just one set of wheels. Like if I wanted to change a look of a car and I wanted to throw some sets on, I will keep this set, but I am looking for a different set. Also looking for a different tire. The tire that I am looking for here is 295. I don't know if I've seen some of them that had 305. However, I got to do some modification. I have gap back here because I want to drift. I want to do track. I am going to have some type of a negative camera to it, a slight, not like people have it like that where the wheels go out like that. That's hideous. It's gonna be like a slight bend, like it's gonna stick out a little bit to work out with cornering. And I gotta do some measurements or stuff like that. But 295 30R18 or 305 30R18. Well, ZR18 is the tires that I'm looking for this, and the wheels, I photoshopped a lot, but the main thing that I want is Weld wheels. Just mentioning that I am not a good photoshopper, so I'll try to photoshop this as best as I can. I am not a good photoshopper. Here it is. I know, like I said, I am the worst. I am literally the worst photoshopper. I don't know how to really Photoshop all like that. That's how it looks. Sorry about the very poor Photoshop. There's just something about Weld wheels that I love. I love the way that Weld wheels will look. It will definitely change this car a lot, and it will change it a lot. You know, I get ahead of myself. I didn't talk about the rear tire. Now, as far as concerning with the rear tire, the wheels that I want to go with 325 30R18s. You can put 325s in here, do some hammering here. I'll probably make a video by itself, just making this, or I could just make a mini tub. I've seen a lot of people making mini tubs. Just cut it out here and extend this and have this come over a little bit more. And 325s 30R18, well, ZR18 is the tire that I'm looking for this. I said I am looking for welds. I'm definitely looking for welds as well. Looking for welds because I love the way welds work, the way welds look. The way welds look, I love everything about welds, or just how they look. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can actually talk to you guys. birds. Seriously. I want to go with Weld wheels. I want to go with Weld wheels because I like the setup. I like the way, like I said, I like the way it look. It would look really, really good on this car. I mean, it would look really good for this car. I've also talked to I wanted to catch you up on something. I've actually been talking behind the scenes with somebody, and surprisingly, I don't know how true this is or not, but surprisingly, I might be having a sponsor for the channel. I don't know. Everything's being talked up in the air, so there's a possibility it could, there's a possibility it can't. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. But yeah, in future reference, there might be somebody who might be sponsoring the channel. They like the way that it's going in this direction. I knew something like this was going to happen. As soon as I display the picture of this car, but that's what's going to happen. That's what's going to be put in perspective. But anyway, enough about that. I wanted to talk about the wheels and tires. And like I said, I wanted the wheels and tires. I want 295s or 305s in the front and 325s in the back, and I want Weld wheels. I know I want Weld wheels. I know for a fact I want Weld wheels. But I'm keeping this set too. This set is I don't know. There's like another set that I want to get to, and I was looking at the replica of the ZL1 wheels too, from the 2018, 2019 ZL1 wheels. I was looking at that to put on here too. So I don't know. We'll see what goes on, what life brings at me. However, when it comes time for that, that's exactly what I wanted to bring. Is there condensation in here? I can't believe there's condensation in here. Do I have to get another one? I hope I don't have to get another one. I really hope I don't have to get another one. Because those fuel pressure gauges are not cheap. They're cheap, but not cheap. So I wanted to bring that. I wanted to bring that to your attention, and I wanted to talk about it. Sorry, guys, if you're not into talking videos. Just wait until 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Wait until 7 o'clock tomorrow night. I wanted to bring that issue to you, and I wanted to talk about it. I wanted to tell you about the wheels and tire setup that I want. It's just something different. I've seen it on cars. I've seen it on this car, like on these cars, but with the color combination, I've not seen it. And when I put it on, when I photoshopped it on there, I was like, yes, done, sold. Give me my, just take my money. And the rest was all history. However, yeah, I cut my hand because I was working on something. However, that's the wheels and tire setup that I want. I know I said it like 15 times. And yeah. Sorry guys that there's not much content. I had actually had something planned that I was actually gonna go somewhere and start doing some funny stuff for you guys, but that had to cancel, and I had to cancel that plan. So now it's still a talking video. I had action planned today. Believe it or not, I had action planned today, but that's just not how it came. So yeah guys, as you can see, my sister just arrived. But yeah guys, that's actually what's going to be happening pretty soon. I don't know when, but it's going to be happening. The look of the car, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Baby, let me love you down. There we go. Next time. I love the way it looks. People are like, oh. Like I said, I don't know if you missed it or not. If you missed it, I said I am going to repaint it in the springtime when it's like that crossover between like 70 and 75 degrees at night. Because it was like that in the daytime. That was warm times I was doing it. However, it wasn't warm in the night. And that's pretty much what screwed me over. But anyway, guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you guys for subscribing. I'm eternally grateful for you guys subscribing to me. There's nobody in the world that are better than you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are the real VIPs. There's not much I can say for right now. So, neighbors taking off. Not much I can say now. So, if you like the video, please hit that like button. All my social media is down in the links below: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. There's some new stuff in the future. There's some new stuff that's coming. Please, guys, stay tuned. We're only getting started. We're only getting started. We are only getting started. So, guys, with that being said, please hit that subscribe button. Keep it. T-Z, all the way to you guys. Take care and have a great day.